All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the...
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and we're back today with a super cute, fun shoe try-on video. This time, this pair of shoes is from a company called Top Rep. I have worked with them before, so check out my videos below. And also, as always, this is a bougie on a budget item. Okay, we're all about the cute fashions at a good, affordable price. If you are interested, any coupon codes, links, and all that will be in the description below. A bright color. I was thinking about the hot pink. You guys know pink is like my favorite color, or maybe the neon green or the blue. But then I was like, okay, I want a color where not only is it gonna look good in the summertime, but also in the transitioning into fall time, fall, winter. So
And you get all the goodies. This is literally how it came, just like this. You get your really nice black Balenciaga dust bag. You get a shopping bag, so shopping bag. And then what I always really like is that these came individually wrapped in their own little plastic baggie. You get a little shoe stuffing there.
okay, so the shoes, or the color that I chose, obviously, are the black shearling Balenciaga slides. I have been wanting a pair of these for so long. Like I said, I just never knew what color to get. So this is how they look. They do have the Balenciaga stamping on the bottom. You guys know I'm small feet gang, so mine is in a size 35, and yes, I did try them on already, and they do fit very, very true to size. So on the bottom there, we could just take off those stickers. They're not really needed. Oh, and I didn't even notice that right here, it does say made in Italy right here. It does say made in Italy. So the reason why I've always wanted to try these is because I've always heard great things about them. I've always heard that they're very comfortable. Even a lot of men have said that they are very comfortable, and I see a lot of guys always sporting these like on streetwear pages and stuff like that, especially in the black color. So that's why I was like, okay, because the neon green and the pink is dope as well, but I was like, let me just get the black to be safe. I have a lot of black purses as well, so I could always style those up with these. But not for nothing, this shearling that is on here is so soft. It is so soft, so smooth, and what I love is that so far, which is really, really a plus, they do not shed. So whatever kind of shearling that they use with this, it is so nice and very, very high quality. And I just love a good slide that you could wear indoor and outdoor. As you guys know, I am a new mom, so that is always a plus. But look at these slides, you guys. So, bad gal, it gal statement pieces. So really, really cute. Let's go on to the try on.
What to do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a people.
So as always, thank you guys so much for coming back, staying tuned to all our shorts videos. They've been doing so good. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and support. We are definitely on the road to 1K. I do have another shoe review coming up. I'll let you guys in on a little hint. It is a sneaker review, so very fun, very cool, going back to some of my old OG videos. So that's gonna be fun. And also, hope you guys are enjoying your summer. I am, so that's really good. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am trying to get all of my content on there, like a lot of my fashion related videos. So thank you guys so much. And yeah, hopefully you guys were liking the brown curly hair today. This is one of the wigs that I've gotten like years ago, but girl, you just gotta do a lot for it just to like look like this. Like, you have to do the whole wet, comb down, brush out routine. So if any hair companies out there would like to reach out to me, I would greatly appreciate that. So yes, and as always, thank you so much to Top Rep for working with me on today's video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.